Hello, this is Braden, and I've got a package from China. Let's unbox it today. So here it is from DHL, all the way from China. AliExpress deal. This was about $630. This is an Android 12, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, full Android tablet actually. It has LTE, GPS, all the goodies. We're gonna unbox it today and show you guys what it's all about. Let's get started. This is a pretty dull knife. Looks like we got a box, inside of a box, and look at this. So let's see what we have here. Alright, so this looks like an OBD2 interface, wireless OBD2 scanner. Let's take another package here and show you guys. Elm 327 interface. Supports all OBD2 protocols. So this, we're gonna connect wirelessly and we're gonna be able to see the data coming from here onto the Android tab. So this will support all kinds of features. You're gonna see like RPM and speed and all the goodies right on the tab. This is gonna make the car faster. I'm gonna be able to read everything that's wrong with my car when it arrives using this OBD2 scanner. Hopefully not too much. Wow, this is really jammed in here. Trying to figure out what the best approach is. I think if toss this aside. Look at that. This knife is so dull. There we go. Oh, I was close to the actual unit. Get on this side. Look at that. This is quite large. Yeah, quite a bit larger than what I was expecting. Wow, this is quite humongous. So this is the 8GB RAM. I don't know if you can see that here. 8GB RAM, 128GB of storage. I think this stands for the processor that it's running. Oh look, we have optical audio out. That is quite interesting. We have the GPS, we have antenna. This 4G antenna. Okay, I don't know. Is that 4G? I can't tell. Oh, the 4G plus. I'm not sure what this is. 4G plus, 4G minus. Okay, so these, I think these are related somehow. Potentially the 4G antenna. I want to see where the SIM cards slot is at on this. I see something here, right here. Can't tell if that's a SIM card or not. Wow, pretty slick unit. I mean, look how thin it is here. There's like hardly nothing behind it here. Auto intelligent device for a Lexus IS, 10.4 inch. Android 12, made in China. This is quite nice. I like it. Let's see what else came with. So we have this looks like for your rear view camera. So we have the video signal as well as power, it looks like, or something like that. Take it apart and see what it's all about. Oh, this is the camera. Oh, there you go. So this will be the rear view camera. Those almost look like LEDs. So let's see if there are LEDs there on this camera. Yeah, this power and video signal. That's what it is. So this will be fun. I'll have backup camera. Let's see what this is. This is, oh yes, this is the DVR camera. I don't know if you can see that. So there's like 3M tape. This would go on the windshield, and I think I can adjust this higher. This must be automatic or electronically controlled. But yeah, pretty nice unit actually. I think this was like 30 bucks extra or something like that. And I thought, you know what, why not? Plug it right into the tablet. It'd be no problem at all. 128 gigabytes of storage. Plenty of storage to handle DVR footage. I'm a little disappointed there's no USB port on the back, but there might be ports on this harness. Let's see. Now this is a lot of kit here. This is really a lot. I can't read any of this. This is instructions in Chinese. Let's see what we got here. So this is the instruction in Chinese. We got a GPS antenna as well as a video output. Okay, and a USB. Okay, so this is a 6-pin connector. I'll open this up. This is, I think, worth showing you guys. So we have a 6-pin connector to a USB port, single USB port. We have a 10-pin connector going to 2 wires here and a video output or input. And this is the GPS antenna. I'll just leave this in the package. But yeah, GPS antenna. I was a little skeptical when purchasing this, being from AliExpress, but just seeing it now and seeing how, like, the quality of the wires and everything, it is quite impressive. This is the real deal. So we have this might be the 4G. Yeah, I think this is the 4G antenna. So this, yeah, has 2 connectors on it. It's probably the 4G plus and the 4G minus we saw in the back of there. So I'll be plugging that, testing it out for sure. This is the CAN bus decoder. I don't think I'll be needing this because I'll have my aftermarket Rockford Fosgate system and my own amplifiers. But this is good to have. Oh, what the heck? This is... So this is an OBD2 plug that only has 2 pins. That's interesting. I'm not sure if it's to tell this to remain on and asleep if the battery is plugged in, maybe. I'm not sure what this is for. I'll have to look that up. Now this looks like something here. Okay, what's this green one here? This is interesting. Subwoofer. Okay, so this is my subwoofer output. Auxiliary output. Right and left auxiliary. Let's see here. Auxiliary input. So we have an input. Let's see here. So we have an audio and video inputs and outputs. So we have, yeah, audio inputs, audio outputs, sub output, and then video inputs and video output, as well as the backup camera. I think that's what this is, the CVBS. I could be wrong, but I think that's backup. And this must be remote turn on or something. And then we have this. This probably is the SIM card slot. Yeah, it is. This is the SIM card slot. So we're gonna test this out on the bench and see if we can get a 4G signal. That would be pretty cool. I'm living in Canada, so I don't know if the bands, if it's using the same frequency bands here as it is in China. But we'll see. This I'm still kind of confused. I'm not sure what that's for. Alright, so we have auxiliary ins here, auxiliary inputs that are male connectors. That's interesting. We have camera. Oh, you know what? This is for probably what's already on the back of. This is to integrate. Yes, this is to integrate into the factory system. So I don't know how much of this I'll need because I'm not really using the factory audio system. I will be using the HVAC, like heating and I will be using the heating and air conditioning controls on this screen, so I'll need to make sure I connect that up. Yeah, this seems to have pretty much everything you need here. Antenna input and all kinds of many pin connectors. So very exciting stuff. I'm gonna see if I can get this tested on the bench for you guys, get a video of that. I'm gonna pick up the car actually in a couple days, so stay tuned for that, and yeah, I'll go from there. Thank you so much for watching this unbox video of the Android 12 unit. In the next video, we're going to be picking the Lexus up from Vancouver. It just arrived on the port and it's ready to go. It cleared customs. Gonna register it on Tuesday here, and we're gonna fly up Tuesday and drive it from Vancouver to Saskatchewan. Stay tuned for that. I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.